Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Apple TV 4K. As you can see here, this is Apple TV 4K, and you might be thinking that why we are showing this video so late. The thing is, my friends, Apple is going to launch a new TV, that is the new Apple TV box. So I thought we should take a look back on the Apple TV 4K, that is a legendary streaming device. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up. As you can see, here it is mentioned 17,430 rupees. So it costs this much, and this is of Apple TV 4K HDR 32GB model. I would suggest, my friends, if you play a lot of games, then you go for the 64GB model, or else 32GB model is more than enough for a streaming device. So let's open this up. Voila. This is quite heavy as compared to the normal HD I have in my home, and it is quite heavy. And also the Apple TV logo here, that is different, because this is a 4K box. We get we don't get any connections here. Yes, we get connections here. We will open this up later on. Let's see the remote. The remote is quite different. I will show you my old remote, the Apple TV HD remote. As you can see here, the menu button has a ring to it, and it is slightly concave, and this is plain. Other remotes, other buttons are okay, just this remote is different, this button is different. We'll keep this aside, and we'll check what we get inside the box. We do get a power cable here. As you can see here, this has a power cable here. Let's open this out. Yes, this power cable is same as compared to the old model. And what more? We get a let's get started guide here, and one USB to micro USB cables to charge this remote. And yes, my friends, this remote is a rechargeable remote, and once charged you can use it for a lot of months. I have been using on the HD, and I hope on the 4K it works the same. Nothing else inside the box, and let's open this up. We will open this up too. Has quite change in the design, as I can see here, because these were not available in the old model. Let me bring the old model here, and we will compare it side by side. So here we go, my friends. This is the Apple TV HD that I use. So as you can see on the bottom, this is a difference. There are vents here for the cooling purpose, I suppose, because this is a 4K box and this is a SD box. And as compared to the weight, I am seeing quite a difference, because this model and this model, slight difference. The 4K one is slight difference, and if we compare it side by side, then the height and the size all are same. Only the difference is this model gets a vents, I think for the cooling purposes. And also, if we open the sides, as you can see here, the same design language here, and in the same way we need to open this up totally. So as you can see here, the same way, it gets a power cable. It is missing the USB-C cable here. There is no USB-C port here on the 4K one, but earlier we used to have Ethernet, HDMI, and the power cable. That's all, my friends. So let's hook this up and check it out what we get inside. So as you can see here, I have the HDMI connected to my desktop screen. I have connected this HDMI here. We will connect the power cable now. So as you can see here, I have got the power cable connected. Now we will connect it. Okay, it's done. Let's switch to the desktop screen. As you can see here, the light is glowing here. Earlier model had the light in the middle, but this one has on the sides. Now I will switch to the HDMI in port. So as you can see now, we are on the Apple TV 4K. Now I will hit the menu button and the volume plus button to pair it. I hope we have the charge here. As you can see, it is connected. Now I am able to touch it. I'll select English. We will do the basic settings here. Yes, we are in India. Yes, okay. Don't use Siri now. Set up with the device. Okay, we'll set it up with a device. You can also set it up using manually, or you can also set it up with a device. So we'll go and set it up with a device. Unlock your phone or iPhone or iPad, connect to the Wi-Fi, turn on Bluetooth, and hold the device close to Apple TV. Okay, we are here. We are close here. As you can see here, I'm getting a pop-up here. Set up my new Apple TV here. I'll select it, setup, and it is asking authentication code. That authentication is showing there. I will put it in here. As you can see now, my Apple ID account password is automatically being copied on this new device. There it is showing setting up your Apple TV. It is also setting up the Wi-Fi password also. So we don't need to make any changes here, like input the username or password of the Wi-Fi. Also, it is setting up the iCloud account. There you can see it is also mentioned my gaming profile there. So as you can see, it is still setting up the iCloud, but there it is showing request password every time when I buy anything on the Apple TV. Yes, always require. Here it is shows that it is done. Now we will click here done. Now it is asking one home screen on every Apple TV. This means that I do have an Apple TV earlier, so it will copy all the apps and the home screen in the way that I keep. Okay, we'll turn this on, it's better. Where is this Apple TV? Basically, it is in the living room. So we will also enable the locations. Okay, we will select it automatically download. Do remember, my friends, if you select this option, the data consumption is really high. Okay, analytics, I do share, app data, agree the terms and conditions, and we are here. Let us see out of the box what is the version of Apple TV OS. I think this would be 12.4. Oh, it is really old. We have to update this. Select that. So out of the box it was 12.4 and I'm getting 13.4.8 now. I have to install this and get use of the new features that we get in the Apple TV. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching for this video. This is the Apple TV 4K unboxing, what we get inside the box, and how to set it up. Do subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Bye bye.